Hey guys, it's Tanner, your skincare lead from Sephora St. John's, and I am back with a tutorial on how to look flushed and freckled. So if you love faux freckles as much as I do, stay tuned and learn how to create this look. So as you can see, I've already started by prepping my complexion with skincare and going in and applying my eye makeup and my eyebrows. So we're going to start by using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and this is a primer and moisturizer in one that delivers 24-hour hydration and powerful primer benefits. Primerizer also smooths skin, softens dry, fine lines, and stops makeup from settling into pores or texture. I'm applying this in the center of the face first and then sweeping it outward. Make sure you avoid over-application of any primer for the most longevity and efficacy. Okay, so we're going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 5.75. I do self-tan regularly, so I'm going to be adding a bit of a darker color to the mix using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation in the shade 2.35. The Giorgio Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation is a lightweight liquid foundation that delivers buildable coverage and a long-lasting hydrating glow with a luminous natural finish. The Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation is actually a similar coverage and finish to the Luminous Silk, providing a natural, long-wearing application and is infused with nourishing hyaluronic acid. It also will not oxidize or cause breakouts. I'm sweeping this custom base evenly over the entire complexion using the Sephora Collection Classic Double-Ended Brush in number 203, making sure to blend out any harsh lines. Okay, so next we're going to be going in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in shade 2 Warm. This is a medium to full coverage weightless concealer that perfects, hydrates, and blurs with up to 12 hours of crease-resistant wear. This formula feels completely undetectable on the skin and seamlessly conceals under-eye darkness and facial imperfections. I'm applying this using the Sephora Collection brush number 57 and airbrushing it on the areas of the complexion I really want to accentuate. The airbrushed concealer brush is perfect for going in and blending out concealer to get a soft, natural finish. The bristles are tapered, so it allows for a soft blend as you apply. This is a little bit different from a regular flat concealer brush as it will be blending out the product for you during application. Okay, so next we're going to be going in with Milk Makeup's matte bronzer in two different shades that they offer called Baked and Blaze. This is a creamy matte bronzer stick for the face and body that provides an immediate hydrating warmth. I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection Classic Double-Ended Brush in number 202 to apply this light formula for an instant all-over warmth. I'm just mixing both shades, Baked and Blaze, right onto the brush and airbrushing it right onto the skin. The Sephora Collection brush number 202 is also tapered to provide a perfect blend while applying. We're going to gently wash this bronzer all over the complexion to create a bronze sun-kissed veil. We're also going to be applying to either side of the nose and the tip of the nose to create a perfect dimensional base for our faux freckles that will follow. Okay, next up, we're going to have Milk Makeup's Lip and Cheek in the color Work. This is a hydrating multi-use lip and cheek color stick. I'm going to actually use the same brush to blend this gorgeous color right into that bronze veil we just created. We're also going to add a bit to the forehead and the tip of the nose as well for a boosted flush. Okay, and now for our highlighter, we're going to be going in with a liquid highlight first using the Josie Maran Argan Moonstone Drops Makeup Priming and Highlighting Oil. This is a holographic highlighting treatment oil that can easily transform any look with glowing iridescent drops. I'm going to be patting this on the high points of the face with the tip of my finger. The heat from the fingers will allow it to blend seamlessly into our dimensional complexion. I'm going to gently tap my finger into the product, shearing it out so we are careful not to over-apply. We're going to focus this mainly on cheekbones, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. Next, to set the liquid products, we're going to go in with Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder in the color Translucent Light. This is a silicone-free, talc-free, lightweight setting powder that absorbs oil, cutting shine but not glow, to leave the skin matte and lock makeup in place. I'm using the Sephora Collection brush number 12 to go in and get a nice, precise set so we don't add too much powder and cause dryness or texture. We're going to focus this in the textured areas of the face where we have pores or any fine lines. And now for the fun part. We're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown to create beautiful faux freckles all over the complexion. This is a smudge-free, waterproof pomade formula that performs as an all-in-one brow product but can be used in multiple ways. I'm going to go in and softly apply the freckles first to create a base, and then go in and build them up to add more dimension, making sure it looks as natural as possible. I'm going to be going in with the Sephora Collection brush number 40 to create these faux freckles all over the complexion. I'm going to keep layering the freckles and gently patting them out for added dimension, and it creates the most natural look possible. You can layer this as much as possible until you achieve the desired effect you're going for. We're also going to be adding this to a couple other areas of the face as well around the complexion to make sure we bring harmony to the look. Okay, so next we're going to be going in and setting our bronzer with a powder bronzer, and this is the NARS bronzing powder in the shade Laguna. I'm going in with the Sephora Collection brush number 55 to create a soft filtered veil over top of our dimensional cream bronzer. This also has a soft shimmer to it, which gives an all-over bronzed radiance. Okay, to set and boost our flush, we're going to be going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Risque. We're going to be using the Sephora Collection brush number 99 to go in and build up a beautiful flush on the cheeks, marrying it right into the bronzer. I'm also going to apply just a tad to the tip of the nose. So I really want to go in and amp up these freckles a bit, so we're going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil Ultra Fine Shape and Define in number 4. By using this pencil, we're able to get varying shapes and sizes of freckles to make it look super natural. And lastly, we're going to be setting our glow with the Natasha Denona All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer in Powder in shade 01 Light. We're going to be using the Sephora Collection brush number 98 to go in and set this precisely on the tips of the cheekbones, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. You can layer this as much as you want to build up tons and tons of radiance. Okay guys, so this is it. If you love this look as much as I do, please let me know in the comments below, and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.